Alright, so last weekend me and the boys were out riding, and end of the night ended up having a little misfortune, an accident. Ended up wadding the bike up pretty good. As you can see, the front wheel a little bit bent out of shape there. Ended up hitting a big piece of concrete out in the field at about 40 miles an hour, and did some damage to the wheel for sure. Everything else seems to look pretty good. It's just hitting on the plastics because it's so bent. The rest of the bike seems to be in pretty good shape. Might need to straighten the bars and the forks a little bit after I get the replacement wheels on. These are actually a couple inches shorter front and rear than the ones I've got on it now. They just happen to be what I have laying around so I can get the bike up and running again so we can have some fun. So yeah, we're gonna get into working on it, see if we can get these wheels switched out, and go do some more riding. Alright, so these are the wheels I just took off the bike. These are the wheels I'm putting on the bike. These are both the rears and the fronts. I don't know if you can tell, but these are 2 inches bigger, taller than these two are. So it'll be a little funny with the small wheels on there, but makes for good wheelies. But just so you can see how bad this front wheel really is. I mean, it is completely pretzeled. And it even managed to knock a couple of spokes right out of the wheel. It hit so hard. Bent them pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and get the brake discs and the gear swapped over on the little set, and we'll go from there. And there we have it, boys. New wheels are on, brakes are swapped and working good, chain's good and tightened up. The little wheels do look a little funny, no doubt, but should be a good time. Go take it for a little test drive and see how she feels.